Are you looking for a natural way to exfoliate and brighten your skin? This face scrub could be the game changer you need. It's packed with nourishing ingredients that help remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, and leave your skin glowing and refreshed. Bookmark this video so you don't lose it. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of sugar to a bowl. Sugar acts as a natural exfoliant, gently scrubbing away dead skin cells and revealing smoother, healthier skin beneath. Next, add 2 tablespoons of coffee. Coffee is rich in antioxidants and helps to stimulate blood flow, reducing puffiness and leaving your skin firm and radiant. Now, add 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture to the skin while soothing and healing any irritation. Squeeze in half a lemon. The lemon's vitamin C content brightens your skin and helps reduce dark spots and blemishes, giving you a more even complexion. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which helps to gently exfoliate and soften the skin while nourishing it with essential vitamins and minerals. Mix all the ingredients together until you have a thick paste. Gently massage the scrub onto your face in circular motions for a few minutes, then rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel smooth, soft, and refreshed. If you like more skincare recipes, type yes, I need more.